Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Toy Blast game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toy Blast game on your device and you will directly be taken into the main menu since you have already logged in. Now from the home page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will now see the sign out from Facebook button. If you wish to log out from your account, just tap on this button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to log out. Go ahead and tap on yes, and now this will log you out from your account on Toy Blast game right away. You can now tap on the continue button, and now any progress that you make from this point onward will be saved onto your device locally, and it will not be synced to your online account. If you wish to log back in, you can simply tap on the gear icon once again and proceed forward with the sign in with Facebook button, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Toy Blast game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.